Manhattan sucks in the summertime. Agent 003, your mission is to find something to do in Manhattan on a Friday night. Do not fail us. This note will self-destruct in 7 seconds. Okay. Whoa! Yeah, that was lame. Twitter. I didn't know he was in Manhattan. Let's see. Who else is here? There are lots of people in Manhattan. But what are they doing? What's this First Friday thing I see? Gotta find out what First Friday is.
You said you was gonna come over later.
What's that?
No, you said you was coming over tonight. So what are you doing?
Hey! Do you know what First Fridays are?
Well, duh. Only lanes I know what First Friday is.
You should tell me about it.
No!
Hey! You have to help me. It's my mission.
Okay. But first, you gotta get out of these clothes.
Hey girl, I'm ready now. So, who all's gonna be at this First Friday thing?
First Friday!
July 6th. First Friday, baby.
First Friday,
be square.
July 6th.
Be there.
If you ain't there, you square, no rectangle.
The place to be.
With First Friday, July 6th at America's Best Value Inn. DJ Kid Supreme gonna be in the building. About to go there and twerk.
First Friday, Manhattan, July 6th. I'll see you there.
First Fridays.
First Fridays. First Friday.
First Fridays, be there, be square. July 6th is going down. Your boy gonna be in the building. Hey.
Come out to First Fridays, July 6th, to have a good time.
After the fireworks, First Friday. See you there.
First Friday.
First Fridays!
First Friday, July 6th. Count me in.
First Friday.
First Friday in Manhattan, July 6th, 10 to 2, only $5. I'll see you there.
First Friday of July, you better be there. You know you ain't got nothing better to do.
Yeah, first Friday, I see everybody after the fireworks.
First Fridays, July 6th, America's Best Inn.
All right, July 6th, First Friday.
This is First Friday, something to do in Manhattan on July 6th.
First Friday, July 6th. First Friday.
First Friday, Manhattan, July 6th. Be there, because I'm going to be there.
First Friday.
First Friday, July 6th.
July 6th, be there.
First Friday, Manhattan, July 6th. Be there.
First Friday, July 6th. It's going down.
First Fridays.
First Friday, Manhattan, be there. First Friday, July 6th, after the fireworks. See you there.
First Friday, Manhattan, July 6th.
First Fridays, it's going down. Be there, July 6th.
First Friday!
First Friday.
First Friday, Manhattan, Kansas. I'll see you there.
First Friday, July 6th.
First Friday, July